Hi there, I'm going to show you how I make a leather looking junk journal cover. I have a old book here that I got it out. I have tissue paper, Mod Podge, and some different colored paints. First what I do is I take the whole book, cover it with the Mod Podge, pretty good amount that goes on this at this stage. Just cover the whole thing. And now after this step, once you get it all covered like this, you're going to take your tissue paper, just plain tissue paper that you'd wrap, put in a gift box. I just got glue on my phone. And you're going to fold it in half like this. I got it folded in half. I'm going to put it on top of this like this. And we're going to kind of crinkle it up, getting these seams where the spine is. Let me crinkle it up and I'll be right back. Okay, you can see that I have a bunch of Mod Podge on this, and I just spread it all in. Really, really good. Let me give you a close-up, and I'll be right back for the next step. I just put Mod Podge all over the tissue paper, is all I did there. Now I'm spreading some paint. I have this paint and this paint mixed together, and I'm just spreading it on the cover. You can kind of see the leather effect. Let me bring you up close, because I'm running out of time here, but let me bring you up close. It looks really cool when it's dry. All right, let me finish that up and I'll be right back. Right now I just spreading the paint is all I'm doing, just to make sure it's all on there. I actually mixed a little bit of yellow paint and a little tiny bit of orange to kind of blend everything in. And let me show you an up close view. And now I have to let this dry at this stage. You see the leathery look? Kind of textured type of thing. That's what I call it. I mean, I'm not sure what everybody else calls it, but isn't that cool? Just made from the tissue paper, Mod Podge, and some paint.